What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. We're checking in on the worm bin today. This is the bin that I fed that Amazon bubble wrap mailer to. So let's go ahead and see how everybody's making out. There's a worm up here on the top that I see. So I'm tossing him back in. Okay. Everybody's finally out of that core, so I will go ahead and get a chance to grind that up. Okay. Pull that up too. I see some worms up on top. Wow, okay. So I basically kind of got everything around it moved. Let's see if I can gently move that out of the way for a second. Ooh. Yeah, we got a lot of juices going on here. Oh. Oh yeah, there's a party going on in there. Okay, so with how this is looking, I don't think I'm really gonna put too much in. I have a nice little cucumber and carrot with a little raspberry on there, so I don't want to try not to hurt nobody, so let me grab a little bit of bedding to throw on there too. There we go. So today's super quick check-in. As you've seen, they didn't really attack a lot of the pumpkin because of, I guess, that bubble wrapper and having to actually get in there. I did go ahead and make up some more worm chow. So I will go ahead and add that right on top of where that feeding area is. Put the paper back down. I didn't add grit this time. With how often I do add eggshells or azomite, it can go, multiple feedings without actually getting anything. So with this feeding, I went ahead and decided not to add any. And I'll put the cover back on. This is the bubble wrap. Yep, so super fast feeding. If you guys have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.